So now once again, hello. So we're going to make a regular hexagon. It says in the instruction, start with a circle with a radius of 3 centimeters. So we're going to use a 3 centimeter. So using the ruler and pencil, we're going to trace a 3 centimeter radius. So here is our radius, and after that, we're going to use a compass to make a circle. So make sure that your compass or the center of your compass will not be moved. Okay, so after that, we're going to divide the circle into 6 equal parts. So to do that, we know that the uh, total degrees of a circle is 360. So we're going to divide it by 6. So it will give us 60 degrees. Okay, we're going to divide the circle into 60-degree angle. So again, just repeat the process. So put the center of your protractor with the center of our circle, and of course the radius. Since our opening is on the right, so we're going to use the numbers here at the bottom part of our protractor. So this is the 60. We're going to trace it. And then another 60. Another 60 here. And another 60. And another 60 degree. So we have a 6 equal partition, and we're going to trace or connect the points of each radius. So we have to connect this one, also this one, also this one. Okay, so we're going to erase the excess parts of the circle so that we're going to have our regular hexagon. And there you have it. This is the regular hexagon.